Kublai pi baro kini kilongi kubor bamta kasngi. Umentri rangba kajila u Conrad ke Sangma menta kasngi. Ula pli pait ba ya ke police station ka thymmai ha Jengjal la sakhilang da ka DGP ida Shisha Nongrang u DC Vibhor Agarwal u chairman MIDC James ke Sangma ki he pulit bat ki pait ba. U chief minister u ong magani ka police station ka batay bat pinbit pinbiang kat kum ki kendon ka Sarkar India ka don ha ka jaka ba strategic bat kan pin khan ye ka jinge trailang hap deng ki pat ba bat ki pulen.
This is the heartbeat version so fast. In the morning, I also that's the police station. Yeah. This is built from the PIR fund only?
No, sir, this is from
additional.
There was a custodial value. It was custodial just like it's in the back. So that's why it's in the after.
So we are here in Jengjal in West Karo Hills, and you can see this beautiful new building behind me. This is a modern police station, and we're so happy that this has been inaugurated. And just for the information of our citizens, that this police station has been made as per the standards that have been laid down by Government of India. So this is one of the most modern as well as full facilities and infrastructure police station in the entire state, and we are hopeful that slowly we'll be able to replicate this model and have this in other parts of the state also.